In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly tag people in your posts on LinkedIn. Tagging someone in your post can significantly enhance engagement and make your content more interactive and visible. So let's get started and make sure you do it the right way. First, you'll need to head over to LinkedIn, so open your browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll arrive at the login page. Here you can choose to sign in using Google or by entering your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, get ready for a quick verification step. You'll likely receive a code on your phone that you'll need to enter to confirm your login. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn profile homepage. Now that you're on your profile, locate the option to start a post or choose comment at the bottom of someone else's post if you'd like to tag someone in a comment. Both options are available on your homepage. As you begin to draft your post or comment, you're ready for the tagging process. To tag someone, type the @ symbol. This is an important step as it initiates LinkedIn's tagging feature. After typing the @ symbol, start entering the name of the person you want to tag. LinkedIn has a helpful type ahead feature which will suggest names as you type. This makes it straightforward to find exactly who you're looking for and select the correct person from the list of suggestions. Once you see the right name, click on it and it will be tagged in your post or comment. Continue writing your message to complete your post. Once you're satisfied with your content, go ahead and click post. A critical aspect of tagging on LinkedIn is relevance. It's crucial to only tag people who are pertinent to the content of your post, as this can enhance the discussion and engagement without coming off as spammy. Remember, less is more, and that holds true for tagging as well. You want to ensure that when you tag someone, it genuinely adds value to the conversation. By keeping your tags relevant and limited, you maintain the quality and professionalism expected on a platform like LinkedIn. Practice these steps to make your posts more engaging and interactive. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found these tips useful for your LinkedIn interactions. Happy posting, and remember to tag wisely to foster meaningful connections and conversations on LinkedIn.